artist too. The honeycomb, the bee's nest. So I want to show you guys real quick because it's kind of like a once in a lifetime kind of thing. So let's go watch. It's in one of the mango trees and I don't know how he's gonna take it down, but he's gonna do it somehow. So let's go see what he does. So what are you gonna do? Jump? I don't want to get stung today. But I'm glad that we have our brave Pa here who's going to be taking it down.
There. That dark spot right there in the middle. Do you see it?
Pa, yo, come on, bye, come on. Yo, come on. Yum, come on. Yum, come on. Yo, come on.
Yo,ទឹកខ្មុំពេញនៅអានយកនេះចាំមិនបានពេញទឹកបានទឹកអត់ញ៉ាំយកធំមែនអូម៉ូ
Không nói.
តែឯងម៉ូយកហើយតែមិនមកខ្លាយអត់យកតែមិនឡើយរវល់តែមិនពេញបោ
Right now Dad has something that looks like a big, I don't know, popsicle, banana or lollipop, but I think he's going to hit it. I don't know what he's doing with that. I don't know. Let's watch and wait and see. Let's go. I'll take you in. I think they have to get the ladder directly underneath the nest. So I think they're trying to figure out the best position for the ladder. Okay, sending up a quick prayer really quick. I hope that nobody falls off a ladder today. I like legit don't know how they're gonna get this down without hitting it down. I'm slightly concerned. Oh, so that's how you do it. You light it on fire. Okay. Magic. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. How smart you are. Oh, smoke it out.
Oh, phải sao say?
I'm saying, okay, so he's cutting the branch, I think. I think maybe the smoke makes him like not bite as much, or see? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Direct.
How much? Dad. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. They're like really on it. Oh my gosh. I think they're like tapping on the bees onto the fire so they're bursting them. Holy crap, let's get a little bit closer. Do you see the big glob of right there's a big glob of bees. That's crazy. my gosh, so Dad is getting stung, I think a couple times. Hopefully not too many on the arms. Oh my gosh, there's a few. Seeing somewhere thick?
Vô đọc sai em đấy nè, mong vô đọc sai em đấy đi. Sợ ba tực này.
Clad.
No, you're like Cammy.
Camte.
We just move already, so it can't buy you. So it can't buy you. So
Okay, chill.
you can take it and hold it. It's okay.
I know, I'm actually scared of bees though.
It's okay. Don't worry. Okay.
So it looks like it's literally just like so thin, and then the top part looks like it's the part with the most honey right here. I mean, look at how juicy that looks, and there's still bees in it. Isn't that crazy? I don't think you can see any babies except for in these parts right here. I just have never seen a beehive before. Wow, this is insane. This is so cool. Look at every single one of those holes are like perfectly hexagonal. I think it's 6 sides. This is absolutely amazing. Okay, so I kind of like want to taste it just a little bit. Okay, that tastes so different than any honey I've ever tasted. It just tastes so different. It's very runny, it's not like globby, like the one I get from the store. Maybe it's because it's on a mango tree, but I feel like it really does taste like a mango honey. It's like a mango flavored honey. So right now they're not stinging me because I think Dad smoked them earlier. And I don't know what smoke does, but I'll let you know maybe later. Let's go give this back to Dad. Oh my gosh. Okay, so any tour eye? Hope. So you do something else with that. I don't know what yet. But Dad's gonna show me how to eat this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at that. I'm just so fascinated right now. Yeah. Like. So I think what I'm missing from like some previous honeys is that the honey before tastes like sugar. This one doesn't taste like sugar. It's like so thick in my throat. It's like coating my throat a little bit because it's so much, so like rich in flavor and texture. One bee's house. Small bee's house. Not even 100 milliliters. Pure honey is a treat and a blessing, and we should use it wisely. Thank you to the bees, thank you to Cambodia, and thank you to Dad who took it down for me so I didn't have to get stung myself. Jom moi.